trailers have blown through the fence down here. This one doesn't even have wheels, it's metal. Solid. This was the entertainment area, Trattoria stage. Sheep are terrified. They're safe. This is one of the roads to get on the farm. This is a very massive tree. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that has been ripped. I mean, just to give you some perspective. That is a big tree. That's my hand. This was rather terrifying. So many parts, or roofs down, trees gone. Solar panels flown off, water tanks. We're without water, without electricity. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. It's scary.